Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, if you have a Chevy or Buick with a transmission such as 60-30, 60-35, 60-40, 60-45, 60-50 guys, and even more, check out in the description of the video below. And you're trying to test your transmission shifting solenoids guys, stay with us and we'll show you how to do that. Now we'll guys have more than 200 videos on every vehicle we get at the shop, every transmission, every engine. So please guys hit that subscribe button for more videos. Our goal is guys to save you as much money as we can by providing guys free videos to you. So let me show you now quick, okay, what we will be doing. So we took the transmission apart, we have the video, okay, how to get to that point and all that stuff. It's on our main channel, how to repair guys. So please check it out guys, we're growing crazy fast, approaching 130,000 subscribers now. And we took everything apart and you want to test your solenoids, okay, by removing them guys, okay, out of the transmission computer housing right here, because usually they're right there. You want to make sure that they're not attached to any electrical components. You can see they have plus and minus. This is positive, negative, okay, and that's where they connect, okay, to that thing right here. Okay, those are the connectors for the solenoids. So the correct way to test them guys is to unhook them from that part, okay, and have them loose like that. Now if you want you can move each one of them and test them, but we don't need to do that. So let me show you guys, okay, what needs to be done now. You can see each solenoid has two wires inside, and never ever guys apply 12 volts, okay, to test your solenoids, because if you apply 12 volts to the pressure solenoids, you can cause really big damage. Some people apply 12 volts to the shifter solenoid right here, but I wouldn't recommend it. You can check if they work or they don't, okay, with, you can see right here with ohm meter. Check this thing out guys, it will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. This is one of the most affordable and true RMS voltmeters that I really love. Really easy, handy, small, but very powerful too. So how we're going to test those now? Okay, I'm going to have the ohm meter set now. Okay, the ohm meter, I'm going to set it to ohms. Okay, let me put it this way so you can see a little bit, okay, what I'm talking about. Okay, a little bit maybe down, up, okay, like that. I'm going to touch each of the solenoid wires and okay, solenoids, okay, let me show you. You have 6 pressure solenoids, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a shifter solenoid. So all 6 solenoids, 3 on this side and 3 on this side, should be about the same value, and you should get between 3 and 5 ohms. Okay, and when I touch this one, see what I get. Okay, I'm getting a little bit loose, so give me just a second here now to contact them. Okay, perfect, 5.3. So this is definitely a good solenoid. Next one guys. Okay, we're at 5.3 as well. So anything around 5 is good, 3 to 5 ohms is good. This is 5.3 as well. This one here, 5.3, so check this thing out guys, all of them are amazing. 5.3, they're all about the same resistance. And 5.2, 5.3. Now what about that big one guys? Okay, that's the shifter solenoid right here. That shifter solenoid guys, it should be between 16. Okay, let me see if you can see the, okay, the device there. 16 and 20 ohms. Ours guys, okay, is 18.7. 18.7 ohms, and if it's between 16 and 20, this is a good solenoid. So all of ours are good, guys. So the problem, if you have a problem with your transmission still, it's somewhere else. It could be a valve body as well. So all that, guys, will be on the channel. Please hit, guys, that subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.